What's going on, you guys? Trev Bucheri here with Core Capacity Transformations, and hope you guys are absolutely killing it today. We are here with your weight loss tip of the week. This week, we are talking about what not to do for weight loss. Me and Wall are going to deliver it for you guys. Let's see what Wall's up to. Oh, yeah. He is full of the knowledge today. So let's get right into it. All right, you guys. So 3 things for you guys not to do when you are looking to lose weight. Number 1, wait. Do not wait. All right, when you're inspired, when you're motivated, when you actually have it on the top of mind awareness, the time is now. The time to take action is absolutely right now, not Monday, because that's our natural tendency is to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to enjoy the rest of the week. I'm going to start on Monday. So do not wait is number 1. Start right away. When you're inspired, start taking action. Number 2, do not make excuses for yourself as to why it's not coming off faster than it is. Basically, our actions leads to results, or our lack of action also leads to a specific result. It's been proven that humans go through the same exact process when losing weight. It's not the thyroid. It's not the fact that you're big bone. It's basically just a matter of discipline and a matter of the actions that we're taking and the consistency that we're taking it with. That's really what it comes down to. Take it from me. I'm an overweight kid. I've given myself all the excuses in the world. And I'll tell you what, it comes down to the discipline and the consistency and the actions that I'm taking and the amount of those actions that I'm taking as well. Number 3, when you fall, do not get down on yourself. Look for the opportunity in the fall. So basically, when you fail at something, let's just say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go 2 weeks and I'm going to be perfect on my nutrition, and all of a sudden you fall. All right, what happened, all right, with the situation, and how are you going to improve next time you get yourself in that exact same situation? Are you going to prepare differently? Are you going to bring your food with you so you don't fall into that particular circumstance? Because let's face it, at the end of the day, it wasn't the circumstance, it was your control in that circumstance issue. So let's gain control with a strategy. And that is number 3 right there, you guys. So there it is, right there. What not to do when you're looking to lose weight. Hope you guys got a bunch out of this today, you guys. Trev Bucheri here, Core Capacity Transformations, here with Wall. There he is over there. You guys have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.